Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to hard boil some eggs and make them really easy to peel. So the first thing you're going to do is just fill this up with water, about an inch or two. You don't need that much. About that high. The next thing I'm going to do is boil the water. Once this is boiling, we're going to put the eggs in. If you put a lid on, it will boil faster. I'm going to take the lid off, and then I'm going to gently put in the eggs into this hot water. I'm going to turn it down just a tad bit, so it'll be kind of a light boil while I do that. You can use like one of these guys. Maybe I should have done it a little bit deeper, I don't know. Seems okay. You just have to be really gentle so that the eggs don't crack. So one of these is a good option. Oh, that one just cracked. Hold on. I'll do another one since that one cracked. So I'm gonna leave these for about a minute and then I'm gonna shut it off. So I'm putting the lid back on and I'm letting it boil for about a minute. This is how I do it. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn it off in a couple seconds here. And now I'm gonna leave that for 10 or 12 minutes and then we'll put some cold water on it. Okay, these have been here for 10 minutes now. I'm going to take the eggs out after I run them under cold water. This is ice cold water over here. And I'm gonna leave those in there for about 10-15 minutes. All right, my eggs are cooled, so I'm going to start peeling them. I like to crack the shell all over the place. You could run it under cold water if you want. Oh yeah, they're good and cold now. And that'll help. Sometimes the eggs don't peel that well if they're very fresh. And it feels like these ones are maybe a little fresh. They're not peeling that well. So I'm gonna use a spoon, just a regular teaspoon. This is how my mother-in-law taught me. And it just makes it so much easier, even when the egg doesn't want to peel. You can get it. Wow, that works pretty well, right? Look at that. It took off a little bit, but had I had to do that with my fingers, it was not going to go well. If your eggs are a little bit older, like a week or 2 weeks old, they're going to peel better naturally. But if they're not, you just have to do it anyway with your fresher eggs. They might be a little bit harder, but the spoon trick is the best way I have found to get the shells off quickly when your egg does not want to peel. All right, I'm gonna peel the rest of these eggs and then we're gonna make some egg salad. You can go over to the next video to watch that, but for right now, that's it. We'll see you in the next one.